You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word correctly. I know correctly, the correct pronunciation. British English is as malignity, lig-na-ti, a stress on the leg syllable. By the way, if you want to learn more vocabulary, stay tuned. I've got more pronunciation videos you'll want to listen to and learn from. American English pronunciation, how to pronounce malignity. American English US, malignity, or how to pronounce malignity. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.